All right, Mama. She got a toy from Sam's Club. Ready to open?
Yeah.
I know you is.
Okay, what does the box say, Boo Boo?
The box say unicorn.
What do you
It
see?
say unicorn.
What that say? Look.
What's that say?
Barky.
Barbie.
Barky.
Say Barbie.
Barky.
Barbie.
You been saying Barbie all day, and then you didn't never want to see Barbie. All right, so let's get this. I think this is a tree house.
Yeah, treehouse.
Okay, let's see it. Bring it close so we can see. Okay, so we have two friends. They look like sisters.
Yes.
We have a tree house. We have a car. Oh my gosh, look at that. We have stickers. We have a rope thing that looks like a tree. Turn it around, baby. Oh, I think that's a swing. Let's see.
Swing.
Oh, we have a swing that we can attach to the tree. We have a tree house where we have steps to get up to the tree house. We have our car. Ooh, what's that? That looks like a, what are those called? A seesaw seat? Yep. And we have the Barbies, look like they have something attached to their arms. Looks like wings of some sort. Okay, you and Daddy gonna open it.
Oh, an egg.
Yes, Mary has her little tutu on today too, so it's so fitting for this. And she has her Barbie pink shorts on too. Did you know you were getting this today?
Yeah.
Yeah. You definitely have the fit on for it. Oh my god! Look at that! Oh, I just love the backgrounds that they put on these toys. It's like I be wanting to keep the background. Oh, what's that?
Unicorn car.
A unicorn car.
Show Mommy the unicorn car.
Let me see, Google. Put it. Oh, nice. Rolls Royce. Got the Benz sign on there. Oh, look, the unicorn car has a tail.
Yeah,
See the tail? How cute is that? It's all about the details. Zoom, zoom. You gonna take off?
Yay!
Woo! Look at that.
Yay!
The tree house is out, y'all. I love the swing. I've always wanted one of these. I really want a swing like that in my backyard. Oh, it's so pretty. Yep, it's definitely multi-purpose. You can definitely make a decor on the tree house. I love that. I love how you think, Mary. Look at the slide on the side. Did you see that? Wow. Oh, there's your girlfriend number one. She has pink, crazy hair. We see that. She has on a blue top, which is cute. Her pink bottom is so cute. She has on sandals. She's in her car. Hey, she's driving around town. Daddy over there working hard getting them toys unraveled. Okay, friend number 2 is coming. Ooh, she slid down the slide. Daddy wanted to see that. Now you got stickers. Ooh. Oh, for the car? Probably for the car.
Yeah, I think it's for the
Yeah, to make the car more detailed. Can they both fit in?
Yeah.
Okay, get them in there. Very pretty.
Mom.
There they go. We have a unicorn car? Oh my gosh, did you design this?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Girl, you did so good with the design. Like, you really use your imagination to get this done. We have a tail and everything on the car. Like, what? That is so fire.
Yeah, I can get on it and drive.
Oh, let's do that. Can we get in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, I can get in.
Okay. All right, let's drive to town, girl.
We got to the
Woo!
Barbie.
We're in the car.
We got to the Barbie.
We got to the bar. We're here. We're at the house. We drove here in our nice car.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, great. Okay, let's get out and play in our tree house. Okay, wait. Did I ever say what's your name? Like, did you ever tell me your name?
Yes.
What was it?
My name is Mary.
Mary. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Well, my name is Ellen. So we're Mary and Ellen. That's so cute. So this is our tree house?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Let me step on up in here. Climb it. Ooh. Wow, that was a good climb.
I can climb.
Come. Let's go, Mary. Let me see you climb.
I got it.
Yay, we're at the top.
Now I can slide.
I'm gonna go down the slide.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Wah! Wee! Wow, it's so fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Wow, we have a swing on the side of the house, y'all. Look at that. How cool.
Yes, I see the tree.
Oh, look, Mary's about to get in it. Okay, Mary, you ready? Let's swing. Yes, how cool.
I love it.
That is so awesome. Swing.
I'm facing
Okay.
side.
Oh, let's do it.
I can crawl.
Okay. So we're gonna get up these steps again. We have clouds on the side of our slide. We have these cute little light fixtures that look like flowers upside down, which is so adorable. Oh, look at the heart window at the top.
Let's go on the seesaw.
Okay. We have the trees and we have our steps on the side of our tree house, which is so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we have the cutest little swing. It's so adorable. And it's super comfy.
We saw
Nice dip
every
for your back. Great back support, right? Tree house.
Let's go on our seesaw.
This is our tree house.
Let's go on our seesaw.
It's so cute. You want to get on the seesaw?
Yeah, go on the seesaw.
Okay, let's do it. So cool. It has the unicorn in the front. It has a tail. Oh my gosh, look at the tail on our car.
That's it.
Girl squad. So this was her unboxing, y'all, for her Barbie house. Barbie tree house, I should say. The background is so cute. We gotta keep the background. All right. Good job, Daddy. Good job. LaMieri, you want to say anything before we wrap up the video? Because this was just an unboxing for your friends. You want to say see you all later? Subscribe.
Bye. Bye.
Peace.
She's so wrapped up in her toys. All right, y'all. Bye. See y'all next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, and keep sharing the videos, liking the videos. We upload one new video every single week. Bye.